What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Vechain, guys. Currently, we're all the way down at 0.053. We're up about 11% on the day. We're sitting at market cap of 3.41 billion. 24-hour volume, 305 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. Depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. Let's hop into VET. We're here on the 1 hour time frame. Lower low, higher low on the RSI, as well as the money flow, bullish divergence. Nice bounce for our friend Vechain. So let's pop over to the 4 hour time frame. So we've had 3 entries, guys. We have lost a major level of support at 0.057, and we really don't have much support until all the way down to at 0.035. We are currently holding this swing high, so we would need to bounce from this level, and that could definitely be a possibility. As you can see, we have some wicks down here, which is a signal that the bulls are stepping in. We're seeing some nice bullish volume. As you can see here, we wicked down, we traded sideways, we broke back up. Give you some more examples. We wicked down, we pushed back up. Let me give you some more examples. We wicked down, we pushed back up. Let me give you one more example here. We wicked down, we pushed back up. Now it's not 100%, nothing in technical analysis is, but when the bears try to push down the price and the bulls shoot it right back up, it can be an early indicator that it's the bulls' time to step in and play, guys. So we've had 3 entries. Our break even is sitting at 0.068. So let's see how far away we are from our break even. So we're only about 26% away, which is really nothing in crypto, guys. Everyone who bought in up here at these levels, well, they're probably going to be waiting months to get back up there. But we're dollar cost averaging, we're bringing down our break even, and we're getting more money into our trade. All right, guys. So if we do come down, we could create a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders. Here's your left shoulder, here's your head. So if you see us get rejected here, we do a little consolidation, could create a right shoulder. And I'll give you your breakout target. We'll drop in our neckline. Hope you're well. Hope the pets are healthy, guys, from the bottom of the pattern up to the top. And could take us right back up, pretty close to our break even, take you up to about 0.065 for VET. Our indicator is absolutely in the floor, and we're seeing a nice bounce. So let's look at VET on the daily, guys. So I had just drawn out this descending broadening wedge, and we broke down. So what you can do is take a measurement of the body, take it to your point of breakout, and you can see we met that target perfectly. All right, guys. Now we do have another pattern at play here. What we do here, well, it's just a descending channel. It's nothing, too exciting. But it can give us our levels of support and resistance. Let me just pull this out. Okay, perfect. So you can see we perfectly wicked down to that level of support. So if we do see a push up, honestly, I do think VET could push all the way up, back up to the 0.786. I pulled my Fibonacci swing high. Sorry, guys, swing low up to swing high. We've lost the golden ratio, we've lost the 0.786, and we've lost the previous swing low, which does increase the possibility of coming all the way back down to the 1.618. But what I think will happen for VET is we'll come up, we'll hit resistance, maybe we push a little bit higher, maybe we come up to the golden ratio, and then we start to roll over and see continuation down to the 1.618, because I am waiting for that dead cat bounce for Bitcoin. So if we do push up to that level of resistance, guys, from the current price, that's about a 41% gain. All right, guys, this is why I trade. I do invest, but my investment positions, I usually try to wait till we get near to the bottom in bear markets before I start adding to my investing positions. The rest of the time, I'm DCA trading. Due to the volatility and due to the fact that we may not come up and break this high, we may dead cat bounce and go even lower. Always a possibility. But if we were to break these highs, guys, and then we head all the way up, well, that would be a miracle in my opinion. But I am expecting a bounce here. We have multiple signs on the daily, indicators in the floor. As I've been mentioning, we have our wicks down. So just look for some sort of reversal pattern and a nice push back to the upside if we can get back above the 20 EMA. I definitely think we could push up to this level of resistance, 0.074, and possibly up to the 1.618 at 0.089. Now, of course, anything can happen, guys. If we do drop lower, our next level support is this swing low, which is coming in at 0.039, which does line up with one of our buy zones at 0.035. That's why our dollar cost average, guys. Yes, the bounce looks more probable, but I'm always prepared with our dollar cost average strategy. Equal amounts to each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. If you're leverage trading, you double your margin, brings your average price down actually a little bit more when you hit your third and fourth, especially your fourth buy zone. It brings your average price down about 75% of the way with leverage, but trade at your own risk. No fail strategy as a spot trader, as long as you have enough buy zones for an 80 to 90% drop. And then if you're leverage trading, trade at your own risk. All right, guys. So that's basically it for VET. We'll quickly look at the weekly time frame. So you can see here on the weekly, guys, we've broken away from the EMAs. We're about to have the bearish cross, but just as if you get overextended in a bull run, you're going to come back down to the EMAs. If you get overextended in a downtrend, you're going to come back down to the EMAs. You can see here we came down, we hold the EMAs as support, we see continuation. But in a downtrend, what happens is you come up, you hit the EMAs as resistance, and then you see continuation. But as we're pumping up here, we're locking in our profits. We're dollar cost averaging once again, and we ride the waves. All right, guys. So that's basically it for VET. If we do see a nice bounce here, do watch 0.074 as resistance, as well as the top of the resistance level of this channel, which is coming in at about 0.068. All right, guys. Our dollar cost average strategy, our next buy zones, 0.034, 0.024, 0.013, and we've already had 3 entries, so we have a good amount of money in our trade, guys, and our break even is here at 0.068 for our friend VET. That's it for this one, guys. Shout out to the Discord, 1,000 members, talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, as well as the DCA charts for many altcoin projects. It's the price of a coffee. You really can't beat it, and you can sign up through the Patreon, 350 USD if you want to trade with me. Sign up to Bybit. My camera's gonna die. See you in the next video. All right, much love. Peace. Take care.